What's up, everybody? I had to get some stuff set up, but welcome back to another episode of the podcast, man. We're going to be chilling tonight, talking some AMC, some Doge, some other plays we got coming up this week. And man, what can't be said about AMC, dude? We had a hell of a week, dude. Hell of a freaking week, a hell of a freaking day, dude. Where else can you go and get a 95% gain in one day, dude? It just doesn't happen. It doesn't freaking happen, man. Even another 8% in after hours. So we're setting up absolutely beautiful, guys. What's up, Ghost? How you doing, brother? We're just chilling, man. Give people some time to get in here. Give them a few minutes, and then we'll get rocking. Get some stuff set up. I need to link the Discord to the top of the chat too, man. Give me 1 second. Get this hooked up real quick. I don't know why, but when I start my streams, dude, I gotta put the link in the box, and for some reason it doesn't freaking work, man. What's up, everybody? Ernesto, KC, Daniel, give me a few seconds, man. I'm getting everything set up. I'm pinning this to the top of the chat bar. Let me put out one more little thing and then we'll be rocking, bro. Alright, I got everything set up. We get the chat back up, and we're good to go, man. So what's up, fellas? What's up, Kappa Jones? My guy watching AMC was a nutfest, dude. You can sit back and just grab a beer, dude, and watch the slugfest happen, man. It's been absolutely freaking crazy on AMC today, man. And rightfully so, man. It's been a long time freaking coming, man. Long time freaking coming. So I kind of got, let's go to 5-minute chart. Actually 15 minutes, I think I drew this thing on. The only TA I can kind of give you right now is, you know, we have a ascending level of support right here, guys. And we have this level of resistance at 72.62. I'm kind of thinking early morning, dude, we'll probably blast right past this in pre-market and probably come back and touch it and hang around here before we take off, man. So we'll have to see how that plays out, man, because right now, dude, everything's just unpredictable. Where else can you go and get 95% gain in one day, dude? It just doesn't freaking happen, man. And dude, we've been preaching this thing since freaking January that like AMC is just primed and ripped and ready to go, dude. The short interest is just crazy. They keep adding to it daily. I don't know, man. If you're short, why would you want to continue shorting this thing? Because that's what they're doing, man. Short interest on the day up 3.39%, dude. So my theory behind this is you kind of having shorts that probably are covering. You're having a couple that cover, and you're having new shorters hop in when it's sitting 60, 70 bucks, and they're licking their chops to short it all the way back down. So, which you can guarantee is going to happen, man. They're going to make money on the way down. But the question is when, because if you ask a lot of people, man, this is just the beginning, man. And it's all up to the retail investors now, because you got Wanda out of the picture. We had Murdoch that actually sold some shares. I read an article today. If they'd have waited one day, they would have made over 300 million. But nonetheless, on the day, short sellers are net negative 2.75 billion, not counting after hours. So, dude, just absolutely massive losses. These guys can't keep this up, man. And this is not the full short squeeze yet, dude. This is just the beginning. And once the shorts start to cover, you will really see some crazy action going on, man. We just saw, 2-3 halts today? That's nothing, man. When I was watching GameStop squeeze, dude, that thing was just going nuts, man. You have a squeeze every like it would come back up and halt again in like 2 minutes, man. So I'm definitely excited, dude. And I'm just happy that this happened the way it did, because when I did that interview with Houston Wade, we kind of talked about AMC squeezing first, dude, and this is exactly what you're seeing right here, man. This is just FOMO and retail investors actually buying the shares up. And you have no more Wanda with their 60, 80 million shares they sold on us. AMC got rid of their shares, dude. I mean, all the big institutional investors are out the way, man. The retail investors own AMC, dude. I wouldn't be surprised if it's 95% right now, dude. So in that case, that's why I say it's up to the retail investors where the price goes, because ultimately you're sitting at 20% short interest. You know it's a lot higher with all the naked shares, FTDs, all that good stuff. But what's going to happen now, it depends on the apes, man. If the apes can hold, they control where the stock price goes, man. And these guys are willing to hold till this thing squeezes. They're not going to let go until the shorts cover, man. So this is going to be absolutely insane tomorrow, man. So just, if you have your phone by you, just make sure you're paying attention if you're in this play, man, because it's going to go absolutely insane. Whiskey, what's up, man? Good to see you in the chat, brother. Hope you're not working tonight, man. Only have 5, Cap. Hey, dude, 5 is better than none, dude. That's why people hold, man. They hold for the person that's just has one share, man. You know, it doesn't matter if you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 shares, dude. People are holding for other people, man. That's what makes this movement so special. Margin calls tomorrow, dude. I'm surprised we haven't seen them back when we crossed 50 bucks, man. Like, dude, this is getting unreal. Like, how are the margin calls not coming up? But I do believe something's cooking up, man. Especially because this came out today. Fed to sell corporate bonds and ETFs during the COVID-19 pandemic. So I got this pulled up right here, kind of give you an idea of what it is. So if the Feds buy bonds in the open market, it increases the money supply because they're actually putting money into the market and swapping for bonds. So if the Fed sells bonds, it decreases the money supply by removing cash from the economy in exchange for bonds. So what is this going to do? It's going to take quite a bit of money out of the market, guys, and which means stock prices will start to come down, and the hedge fund collaterals also get smaller. So what does that mean? Short positions, their collateral will be a lot smaller, man. So you could definitely see margin calls coming very quickly with that information, man. But we'll see, man. Whoever's shorting this thing, we know who it is. It's Citadel, man. I mean, who else would it be for them not to get margin called yet, dude? This is absolutely insane. You got shorts probably still sitting back from freaking the $5 range, man. I mean, this is just because when shorts take positions, man, their absolute goal is to never cover their position. They want to bankrupt a company, send them packing, and they never have to buy back the shares, and they get to keep all the profits and not pay taxes on them, man. It's a messed up situation. And what happens when you have that, man, you have excessive shorting in the stock market, dude. It's just bad for everything, dude. And this just got out of control. While everybody was running around looking for toilet paper during COVID, all these hedge funds were just running around shorting everything to oblivion. That's how you get $500 GameStop and shit, $72 freaking AMC on a day, dude. I was losing my mind at work, guys. Matt M says, I'm up 5,987% on my calls. That's a day, brother. That is a freaking day. And yes, dude, if y'all start seeing margin calls tomorrow, you can, dude, the price action would easily surpass $100, man. Easily surpass $100, man. So let that sink in. I'm gonna wake up pre-market like I've been doing every morning this week, and dude, I think you're gonna get the push over 72 pre-market. And you know, every morning we have a little bit of a sell-off, every freaking morning, man. But we just have to see, man. That sell-off this morning, even the halts, man. I'm surprised how well AMC held up through the halts this morning. Like, dude, it's just. Nobody panicked, dude. Like, in my mind, I was like, nobody's gonna freaking sell right now. They're so prepared for this, and they're so mentally stable with what this movement's about, dude. Nobody sold, and I think it held up so great, man. So hats off to everybody. I'm sure everybody's making freaking lots of tendies right now, and which leads me to my next thing. There is gonna be a lot of money with retail investors floating around in the market, dude. I mean, people are going to be buying shit like crazy. But what's very important heading forward is that you if you take some profits, you know, make sure you have food on your table. But I would have to say the smartest thing a person could do with your AMC profits is look for your next play. Always have your mind on your next step, because if you take these profits, which some people are playing with life-changing money here. So yes, of course, take you some, have you some fun. You deserve it, man. You sat through this shit for 5 months, but also take your profits and reinvest them into something smart. And I think a lot of investors are going to be hopping into crypto, maybe for the first time. And there's a lot of sentiment around Doge, man, with the AMC movement, because Doge was kind of a meme coin. AMC's a meme stock, dude. I could see a lot of people taking their profits and pumping them into Doge, dude, which could send Doge parabolic, man. Going with the Coinbase listing, I'm fully expecting it. Let's where'd I have them lines drawn? Let's see. No, it was on the 4-hour chart. I did it last night. I've been leaving my lines every night, guys. So you can see we've been bouncing, and then we got that hard push, and we bounced off. That's where I said I thought we would be at, and it held true, man. We just didn't get this full break over this 200 moving day average. But nonetheless, man, I think tomorrow will be the day we will actually get it. And tomorrow's a big day, man. They're going to be listed on Coinbase Pro. It's not the whole thing yet, but dude, it is nonetheless great for the movement and great for Dogecoin moving forward. It's going to get a lot of new buyers coming into this thing. And dude, like I said, when AMC people start taking profits, dude, that is going to be a shit ton of money floating around in the market, man. Like crypto, I think is going to benefit really well from this, because dude, people are tired of the manipulation. People are tired of the hedge funds just taking advantage of everybody. And not to say everybody's going to completely move out the market. I think this is just the beginning. I think people are going to, band together more than what you're seeing with AMC and GameStop and all the meme stocks. I think this is just how the market is going to change as a whole right now. And retail investors are pretty much a hedge fund of their own, man. When you get a bunch of retail investors together buying stock, dude, they can pump a lot of volume into that. And you are seeing that first and foremost with AMC, dude. This is not a short squeeze, man. This is straight retail investors, maybe some shorts covering with some gamma squeezes going on. This could be a possible gamma squeeze, because right when we cross 50, man, let's check out the call options. We got a shit ton of call options. Where was it? 55. Yeah, 40,000 call options at $55, dude. Just got eaten up in the money, dude. 100,000 at $60, man. 100 freaking thousand, dude. And let's see. I'm sorry, guys. This is funny. This is freaking funny to me, dude. $7,070, dude. If you would have told somebody a month ago you were setting a $70 call option on AMC, if someone would even sell it to you, they'd have laughed you out the freaking building, dude. And I'm so happy for everybody that's actually out there making money, because, dude, this has been a long time coming, man. And a lot of other meme stocks are benefiting as well. Let me take the news down, options down. And look at GameStop, dude. Almost crossed $300, dude. For the first time in, let's see, dude, back here, man. Back in March. So this is freaking huge, man. This movement that's going on, it's not just has to do with just AMC, dude, but AMC is starting this ball rolling, man. And that's exactly what we thought was going to happen, dude. And I'm just so happy to see it actually coming out this time. So let's look at cost. $40, dude. Cost, another meme stock right here, man. And this thing went absolutely crazy back in January, dude. High of 174, man. Just a clothing store stock, dude. I mean, but the thing with cost is their free flow is like extremely small. I think there's like 20 million or something like that. Like 17 million shares available to trade. So, you know, that thing is extremely small. Look at Naked, dude. I got it on the 4 hour. Actually looks really small right there, but nah, don't get fooled, man. Naked had a pretty nice run too. So you're seeing this January part 2 happening right now, dude. It's just absolutely insane, man. Absolutely insane. I give a big hell yeah. That's what's up, KC. Yes, big hell yeah to everything you're preaching, man. I'm happy for all you guys, dude. And Whiskey with the super chat, man. Let's go diamond hands, dude. Hey, man, I really appreciate that, brother. I really freaking do, man. Matt, 11% of the call options in the market were in AMC today, dude. It's just crazy, man. Hold on, let's check out the call options for next week, man. I bet you they're insane, man. Let's check this out. June 11th. I mean, look, the 53. Let's see what you got. 72. So you have a shit ton at 70, man. So that just kind of gives you a microscopic look of what people kind of think the stock is going to be at next week. And don't be surprised tomorrow morning, dude. This thing gets that break above 72, man. We're going to start seeing 80, 90, even $100 call options popping up on the charts, dude. And that's going to be freaking lovely for us, dude, because these market makers and stuff, they're going to have to start hedging for those call options, which means they're actually going to have to buy the stocks. Just think about it. Like if you invite somebody to your business and you want to show, 10 cars on a lot and you have 10 people showing up, well, you're going to have 10 cars on the lot. That's what they're doing with the call options. They have to hold collateral for the stock. If not, it becomes an FTD, and that just further adds to the fuel to the fire of what we're trying to do here, guys. So it's absolutely great news for us, dude. Everything is just pumping in our direction, man, and I'm super excited. Most I'm excited about is the retail investors, how strong they're holding through this thing, man. It's just, and I think this is the first of many to come, man. I think now that YouTube's out, now that Twitter's out, Facebook, you have all these retail investors communicating through that. Before, back in the 80s and 90s, dude, I mean, retail investors were over here, they were over here, they were all just scattered all over the place, and big hedge funds were just rolling around with billions of dollars, just taking advantage of them, man. I think those days are out the window now. I mean, they might get lucky on some stocks, but dude, they need to be aware of the apes in the market today, man, because they're not to be played with. And don't get it wrong, man. Their emotions right now, dude, their ego is crushed, and dude, they want us smashed so freaking bad. So that's why it's just so important to hold for everybody. If you are holding this thing, if you're in at $8, dude, you have nothing to worry about, man. If you're in at $8 freaking dollars, you have nothing to freaking worry about right now. Sell on the way down. That would be my advice, because there's no telling where this thing is going to go, dude. Like I said, tomorrow I'm expecting it to pop over $72, and that's pre-market, dude. So I will be waking up first thing, checking that thing out and seeing where she's going. But after that, I clearly believe that a lot of AMC people will be taking their profits in the Doge, and Doge will be ripping here extremely shortly, man. What's up, man? Congrats on AMC. I appreciate that, Jay Rogers, dude. I really do, man. I was preaching AMC for a long time, man. And I'm just so happy that it held true and everything that's playing out right now, man. So I really appreciate it, man. KC says BlackBerry as well, dude. And BlackBerry is another meme stock, dude. And which is having a nice run of its own, man. So you can see today up 31%, man. 3% in the after hours. So absolutely looking beautiful, man. Absolutely, dude. There's a lot of money floating around in the market, guys. There's a lot of freaking money. Look, I mean, cost, dude, 68% on the day, dude. Look at this bull flag forming, dude. I mean, that's just beautiful, 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 man. And I'm happy for everybody because there's a lot of people making money, dude. And a lot of people got burned on the last squeeze with GameStop. So, you know, rightfully so, dude. I'm happy for each and every one of y'all. All my chips in Doge. Let's go, dude. And I honestly think Doge is going to be on the move here shortly, man. I really do. Let's check out Ethereum, see where she's at. Having a little bit of a sell-off. Kind of always tends to do that. Let's go to 4 hour as you head toward the weekend. It's not a good chart to look off of. I think that was last Saturday. So you can see you had a pretty good run up, dude. And this is where I've been kind of swing trading Ethereum right now, guys. And yeah, just be careful. Y'all do your own thing. I'm just telling y'all what I'm actually doing right now. But if you pick up a couple of Ethereum right here at 2,900, actually, I'm sorry. I picked up some here. I sold here. And then I think I had a little play right here. I think I bought in here, sold at 28. And then you could tell that was on a Wednesday. So you could tell through the rest of the week, she kind of bled off to the Saturday dip, which we've been seeing for the past freaking 6 weeks that we've been live streaming, man. And then you have that pop. So I'm going to be looking for this dip. My next buying opportunity for Ethereum, which I'm thinking will be this weekend around 25 to 2,400. Maybe possibly a little bit more. We might go back to touch 2350, somewhere in that range. But nonetheless, I'll be looking. It looks like it could get a bounce off this line. That'd be the best case scenario, and then continue to run. But I'm going to be looking to snag some right here and looking to swing trade it. But nonetheless, I need to be careful because summer is coming up. Actually, we just started summer, and I'm actually, concerned about the run we're going to have coming up if I'm doing some swing trades on Ethereum, because I want to hold Ethereum long term. I really freaking do, man. I think Ethereum will treat you well this year. Along with Cardano, dude, all the cryptos, VeChain, ADA, man. I mean, dude, it's endless right now, guys. What's up, Luke? Hey, man, is Luke in here? What's up, Fight Inu? Have 10K Doge at 13 cents and 30 AMC at $9. Let's go. Hey, man, you've been in since $9, dude. That is awesome, brother. I'm super happy for you, man. I got a question for you, though. Do you plan on taking your AMC profits and pumping in the Doge? Just a quick question for you. I'm just trying to get some sentiment about what's going on in the market, because I really truly believe people are going to be taking their profits and pumping in the Doge, man. I know when I take AMC profits, I'm going to be looking to pump some into Doge, man. I mean, that's just what I'm going to be doing, because I think Doge is getting set up for a nice little run to go back and retest the all-time high of 74 cents, man. I set it back at 47, ran to 47, dude, dropped to 17 back here. Everybody was freaking out. People were like, I put my whole life savings at 47 cents. Well, look, if you're new to crypto, you're new to trading, dude, things always tend to come back with crypto, man. And you just have to hold long-term, man. Hodl it, just keep holding, man, because look what happened. Came all the way back up, hit 74 cents on SNL, and then bled ever since, man. But now we're starting to get some push, and Doge is setting up for a nice little run right here, guys. Nice little run. On the 4 hour chart, I mean, it's not a picture perfect bull flag, but you could see one forming. So what you're going to want to look for tomorrow on the 4 hour chart is actually a bust through this 200-day moving average, man. And that's going to signal a nice little run coming up, guys. So nonetheless, we'll see what happens. I was hoping he said so. Oh, I got you, Ernesto. I might put half in Doge. Yeah, man, I think a lot of people will. I think there's a lot of sentiment with Doge, with AMC, because, they're all the meme stocks, man. Doge is the meme coin. People thought Doge was a joke. So, just have to keep track of where these retail investors are going to be heading next, because you can see there's a ton of them, a ton in freaking AMC, man. I mean, just the price movement alone, dude, that's, gamma squeezing with the call options being hedged for, plus retail investors pumping this thing up, dude. And I believe once we cross $50 here, dude, that's why I think we might have got a little gamma squeeze right here, man. I really do, because they have to hedge for all those call options. You see how many they had at $50? You can't even see $50 no more, dude. That's that's on the 11th, my bad. You can't even see it here though. So where was it? Look, $60, 108,000, dude. They have to hedge for all those, man. And I wouldn't be surprised in the least bit if they try to pull some fuckery and try to beat us down for $60 this week just to have these expire out the money. But nonetheless, dude, we're still sitting freaking beautiful, man. And I'm not concerned the least bit. Like, I think tomorrow we're gonna bust out the gate pre-market and get over this. You drop this down real quick. This level of resistance at 72.62. And then, dude, we're back in uncharted territories. We're still in uncharted territories, dude. I just drew these bullshit lines because, dude, there is nothing to go off of, man. You can't TA this. This is just a massive, this is the biggest freaking bull flag I've ever seen in my life, dude. Like, I can't even give you a TA on this. I see these little touch points right here. Maybe she'll bounce, but I'm thinking pre-market, dude. We're going to get this bust and hopefully treat this as support tomorrow, guys. So we shall see. What it do, kid? I see you in here, brother. Good to see you, man. I hate it when it hits 70 then down to 30. Yes, man, a lot of people did, but she's coming back, man. I think a good little run's gonna come up, man. Congrats on AMC stock market tips, dude. Good to see you, brother. I appreciate that, man. I really do. Nesto says ADA, man. You already know what it is with ADA, bro. I'm very bullish on ADA, and I think that's gonna be very good to me this year, man. The next 90 days for ADA is gonna be very critical, man. And I think it'll 4 or 5 times more money this year, man. That's just my opinion. I'm gonna be doing a separate video just on ADA, dude, because I really want to let people know what they're doing and why I'm investing in them, because I believe in the cause, man. So only down because they halted exchanges. What's up, Google Plays? Dude, and the halts, dude, AMC held up so well through the freaking halts, man. I mean, dude, even as dude, I had no doubt in my mind that people were going to be holding through the halts. I had no doubt, man. It was just no panic at all, man. Like when GameStop was going through its thing, halting every few minutes, every time it would come back, it would halt. Dude, I was kind of nervous, man. But for AMC, it was different, man. She held up extremely well through the halts. You could tell nobody was selling the stock, man. Ryan W, what's happening, brother? AMC to 100, BD to 50. Big week, dude. And it is very possible, man. If we get this break in the morning pre-market, dude, we're off to the races, dude. You possibly see 90, 100 bucks tomorrow. And then the call options that are going to get hedged for, man. That's what I'm saying. It's going to be a reoccurring effect, dude. If the price continues to go up, call options are going to be bought. And, dude, it's just going to cause another little gamma squeeze, and we're going to get that hard pop, man. So y'all pay close attention tomorrow to the price action, man. I would recommend waking up pre-market if you have a good bit of chunk of change in this thing. So, Lee, by Friday, AMC 250, dude. And it's very possible, dude, that the shorts have to start covering. They're still freaking shorting this thing, guys. They're still shorting it. Up 3.39% on the day, dude. Up 3.39% on the day. You could tell last 7 days, they borrowed another 7 million shares, dude. And kind of my theory behind this, you have shorts covering, a few shorts covering right now. If you're smart short, you're covering. You're getting the fuck out. Now, what's happening, I think, is you're having the new shorts come in, they're taking short positions, and they're trying to short this thing down from 60, 70 bucks. And, long term for that position, I think they'll do okay after the squeeze, but they're going to have to be willing to hold through that and have the collateral to cover their positions, man, or they're going to get screwed too, dude. Like, this is just, the apes aren't freaking leaving until freaking the shorts cover, dude. It's as simple as that, man. They're not freaking leaving. So I feel bad if you're a hedgy. It's a bad day to be a hedgy. Considering the stats for AMC, do you think 1K will eventually happen? It is possible, dude. It's possible. It's all depending on if the retail investors are willing to wait that long, man. And it's true, bro, because now you got Wanda out the picture. You have a lot of institutions out the picture now. You have AMC out the picture, dude. You probably own 95% of the stock right now, dude. There's not a stock in the market. Maybe GameStop, and you know, it's just all screwed up. But dude, for 95% ownership in a company for retail investors, dude, it's unheard of. It's freaking unheard of, man. And I'm just so happy to be a part of this movement, dude, because this has just been insane, dude. Squeeze hasn't even started yet, Lee. You already know what's happening, man. Look, guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're always putting out new plays. Make sure to look at the Discord, man. Y'all can join that. We're always in there talking new plays. We got some new ones cooking up, and it'd be great to have you in there, man. It greatly helps support the channel as well. So let's check back on Doge real quick, see what she's doing. Currently sitting at 41, but like I said, man, people are gonna start pouring into Doge pretty soon, especially with all the profits. Like, dude, do you know the amount of billions of dollars that's gonna come out of AMC, BlackBerry? I mean, look at this, dude. BlackBerry cost is like really ripping, dude. Really freaking ripping. You could possibly see cost blow that 174 it did back in January out the freaking water, man. Can you imagine the amount of money that's gonna be hopping around the market, dude? And a lot of people, I think, are going to start driving into crypto, dude. And that's billions upon billions of dollars, dude, that's going to be floating around now with the retail investors, dude. And it's a good day to be an 8, man. It's a good day to be a retail investor. And it's a very bad day to be a short, man. Very bad day. Yeah, man. If y'all can hit the like button too, man, I greatly appreciate it, dude. Every little bit helps, man. Even one extra sub I get, dude, it actually makes my day, man. Because I started this channel just to help people, and I hope I helped at least one person in this group, dude. And I know I have, because people are reaching out to me, telling me thank you for getting them into AMC, dude. And you don't have to thank me. I'm out here to help y'all, and I want to find good plays, and I want to make traders into better traders, man. That was my point about starting a YouTube channel, dude. And even seeing one extra sub, man, it really makes my day. When you cash out on AMC, keep investing. You got more to throw around. Exactly, man. And look, I'm not saying not have fun, but when you're looking at potential life-changing money, of course have you some fun, dude. You sat through 5 months of bullshit for it. But be smart with your money, man. Look to reinvest. If you're not in the crypto, dude, there's a lot of great plays, and you know, I can help people that are new to crypto learn the ways through the market, man, because the stock market, dude, I think a lot of people are getting fed up with it, man. I mean, right now you're seeing great gains, but dude, throughout history, man, I mean, they just short everything to shit and take retail investors' money, dude. So I think a lot of people are going to be pouring into crypto, but be smart with your investment, dude. You can take a good percentage of that investment, whatever works for you, and reinvest it into another play to try to double that, triple that. And you can do that with crypto, bro. It's very, very simple. You just buy and hold, dude. And if you're an ape already, I mean, you're pretty good at that. So I would definitely look into investing in crypto if you're not into it with your AMC profits, man. I think it'll treat everybody well. Thomas Harris, what's happening, brother? Good to see you, man. I hope everybody is making freaking money. But nonetheless, let's check out Ethereum, because I got to keep my eye on this thing. 2689. Possibly go back, see that little bounce. I think it's going to bleed off until Saturday, where we'll have another pretty good little dip like we have the past 6 weekends. So we'll see. We'll have to see. Litecoin trading at 184. She's not looking as healthy as Ethereum and all the other ones. But that's another decent play. I mean, I don't really care for Litecoin too much, but she's a sleeper, man. I mean, before the bust, she was sitting at 350, man. So, but Riot, dude, up 2% on a day. It's not bad. She actually ran. We talked about it last week. I think 13% on Monday. So let's check out what Mars doing. Ran 0.16 today. Not too much happening, man. But I'm waiting for tomorrow, man, because we're gonna actually see what this Coinbase listing actually does for Doge, man. And I think you're gonna have a lot of hype running into this thing, because you know most coins, when they get listed on Coinbase, they fall out right after. but I don't think I don't think it'll be the case right here because it's just Coinbase Pro. It's not the full blown out Coinbase, and we'll just have to see, man. But we're gonna need to get over this 200 moving day average, which I think will happen tomorrow. And when we get there, dude, we're off to the races, man. We can easily hop back in this 50-cent channel, man. I wish I had all the channels I had from way back when we were streaming back here because that'd be good information right now. But I'll draw some more stuff up. I'm not too worried about it, man. Let's see where I'm at with the chat. The team helped me grow, I think. Hey, man, it's all good, brother. That's what we're here for, man. Love being back in the green days. 48 cents this time tomorrow. I'm hoping, man, we just need this push over this 200-day moving average, dude. We have a nice little rip, easily back to 50 cents, man. Easily back to 50 cents. There's not much in the way, man. There's not much in the way at all. Oh, man. Let's see where I'm at. So Bitcoin currently sitting at 37,365. Still trading in that triangle I drew the other night. So we're gonna be looking for a nice little pop above this, and then to test that resistance line at 39. And then I think we're gonna have a nice little run, dude. All the way back up to 45,000 would be the next level of resistance, I believe. I didn't draw that line the other day, but yes. Oh, my chart's going all wacky, but I do see Bitcoin having a nice little run coming up here shortly, guys, and that's going to help out the entire market. So if you've been looking at plays like VeChain and all the other ones that are down 50% right before the market crash, dude, you're gonna be sitting on some freaking nice returns, man, when Bitcoin starts to get its stuff together. But you can see Doge is absolutely separating itself right now. Same little triangle setup that we had on Bitcoin, but we're getting that hard push, and that's with the Coinbase listing. So you're getting a lot of retail investors pumping into this thing, but we're still getting rejected at the 43 cent. That's going to be a huge level for us to get over. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, and we'll see where that gets us. But back to AMC real quick. Let's see the news on AMC, because I was pretty interested in seeing what waiting for AMC to pop meant living through 7 corrections. AMC actually passed up GameStop in market cap today. That's how much AMC has been ripping, dude. Look, Murdoch Capital would have missed out on $300 million by dumping AMC a day early. So that's what you get for paper handed, man. AMC is now worth more than half of the companies in the S&P 500, dude. It's just funny, man. This is hilarious, dude. They called it a dying movie theater chain, man, and it's just outdoing half the S&P 500, man. It's funny to me, man. 5 things to know about. Yeah, it's a bunch of BS, most of them, dude. I'm surprised you don't have more foot articles, but where's that guy with the 1 cent price target, man? That's what I want to know. I wonder what he's feeling. I looked him up on Twitter. I forgot his name, but he wouldn't even let people see his post. I think he's been getting so much hate mailing, hate tweets, dude. He actually blocked his Twitter from everybody. So nonetheless, man, just be on the lookout in the morning. If you're up 4 o'clock in the morning, look for this hard bust above 72, dude. And you got a nice little rip, man. We'll have a nice freaking rip. Anything's possible at this point, guys. It's just up to the retail investors to say what they want to do, man. This has been a learning experience, but a great one, man. And it's the first of many whiskey. I promise you that, brother. We're gonna have some good plays cooking up coming here shortly. I'm gonna have a bunch of plays for y'all for next week, and we'll see if those hold true. But the few we did this week did pretty good. But we'll have to see. We're not in normal market environment right here, dude. And Microvision was one of my big plays coming Monday. And you can see we had that hard pop, dude. That hard run up, dude. And not much pullback until we got way up here, and then, you know, recovered nicely, dude, and been growing ever since. We had a little bit of a bleed off here, kind of consolidating, and you're setting lower highs, higher lows. So we're going to come to a point on Microvision where I think she could have a nice another little run come up here very shortly, guys. So just keep your eye on Microvision. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea. I might pick me up some long call options on this thing, give myself some runway. Maybe what are we in? June? Maybe some August, early September call options on Mavis, because this could treat you really well, man. I think Mavis is setting up for a nice little run this summer too. So we'll have to see how that holds, man. No, I didn't yet, man. I was being stingy, but I knew something was happening with it, kid. So that's why I kind of put it on y'all radar, man. So if you did, hats off to y'all, man. But I still think she's setting up for a nice little run coming here shortly, guys. So not much happening with Doge, man. I've been looking on my TA on the 4-hour charts right here. So until we can get over this 200-day moving average, man, we're just going to be kind of stalling out here, guys. But who knows? We had a nice little run up last night, man. So we could definitely see a pop. You could wake up and we could be trading 45 to 50 cents. No doubt, man. Anything's possible right now. You're right. What the F? I took the training wheels off with AMC, dude. And I'm happy you did, man. I was preaching it to everybody, you know. Well, I started doing my live streams back when it was about $8-9, and that was right when I did the Houston Wade interview, and cost of borrow fee went through the roof, dude. And I don't know if y'all remember that, but I kept saying like, hey, man, y'all need to look at this. The numbers are freaking outrageous, and this is why, man. This is freaking why. Look what happened, man. I mean, dude, that's just unfreaking real, man. And I'm so happy for everybody that got in this thing. I mean, look at all these channels I had for the longest time way down here, dude. Let's check out. I can't even see them, dude. That's how far gone we are. Put them on a 5-minute. Gotta pull them up. I can't even see them, dude. That's freaking crazy, man. That's crazy how far we've come, man. When you actually sit back and see how far AMC has come, it just blows your freaking mind, dude, that retail investors can bond together and actually do something with the cause, like save a AMC brick and mortar movie theater chain, man. You know, I don't care how you shake it. The apes saved AMC. The apes saved GameStop. They saved a lot of companies that would have been erased from the face of the earth, man. And I think it's a lot of people that have a lot of sentiment toward the movies and toward gaming, man. I mean, you have a lot of 30-year-olds that grew up gaming, going to GameStop. You know, there's sentiment there, dude. And they're not going to let these companies go away, man. And now it's up to the companies to actually make the changes that are necessary to survive in the new world, man. And I think GameStop will. I think AMC will, dude. People still want to go to the movies, man. I want to go to the freaking movies. I mean, there's nothing like paying for overpriced popcorn, man. But now, actually, you get your popcorn free if you go to AMC if you're a stockholder. So, pretty nice little perk right there, man. Those listed on Coinbase Pro yesterday. You sure about that, Lee? They were saying Thursday, man, if they meant the liquidity, and that was last night. My first job was at AMC. That's what's happening, brother. That is cool, man. That really is, dude. That is freaking cool, man. But nonetheless, guys, there's not too much happening in the market, in the crypto world right now. We're just kind of staying stagnant for the time being. So I think tomorrow, best case scenario, you'll see a good pop, man, in between 45, 50 cents. And we'll have to see what's happening, man. But I think, I just hope Doge isn't affected by the weekend crash we usually have, man, with Bitcoin. That could be something that kind of brings it down. You can see, man, heading towards Saturday, dude, we're probably going to have that nice little dip. And, dude, y'all need to pay attention for these dips because you can make some pretty decent profits on these dips, man. You could see Ethereum 2200. I mean, you could ride that thing up and sell it back at 2800 next week all day, man. So if you can pick you up a couple coins, that's, you know, $600 profit a coin just for a couple day swing trade, you know? So just pay attention to it. The big one, dude, I think people need to be aware of is ADA. Now, if Bitcoin takes a nice little dip like we're expecting it will on Saturday, dude, you can possibly pick up ADA between 140 and 150, dude. And I think that is a awesome freaking price to hop in, dude. And if you see it, I was a little bit greedy last weekend. I say greedy, patient. I saw, and I'll show you here, just with Ethereum. Where is she? I saw, where is she? Go to 4 hour. He when the chart does that, man. I hate when the freaking chart does that. It was the 29th, right here. I saw 2180 Ethereum, dude, and I was waiting for a little bit harder dip, bro. I thought we might have saw 1900, 2000 Ethereum, so I didn't pull the trigger. Not that I'm mad, dude. I'm just saying, I think Ethereum actually got down to about the 140 range. So if you see, ADA. If you see ADA in that range, man, that is something I would look to pounce on, man. That is going to be absolutely great returns on your money, dude. So let's see, man. The Mike and Brian show. What's happening, brother? You have your own show, man? That's a pretty cool name for a show, dude. I definitely dig it, man. Let me know if you have your own show. I'll definitely check you out sometime, man. I put in like $300 last week. I'm up like $1,200 now, so I may not get rich, but said and done. But I appreciate all of my gains. Nah, dude. Hey, you got a piece of the pie, brother. That's all that matters, man. You got a piece of the freaking pie. What's up, Ryan? Good to see you in the chat, brother. Good to see you in the freaking chat. Give me 1 second. One second. I had to check my phone, man. It's a sports car show. I'll definitely check you out, man. Put that on my little notepad right here, dude. I'll definitely check you out, man. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the sub button for me, dude. And greatly help support the channel, and you can get information on new plays all the time, man. Make sure to join the Discord too, man. I got it linked to the top of the comment section. 100% free right now, guys. We have a great community of guys, and I think you'll benefit greatly from joining. So check that out, man. Yeah, I'm up like 2K, dude. Hey, man, I'm happy for you, dude. 2K is better than 0. Most people don't even know what's going on, man. A lot of people in the world don't even freaking know what is actually going on with AMC right now, dude. And I feel bad for him. I got a buddy at work, dude. He won't play it, man. I think he got burned a couple years ago in the stock market, and he's afraid, man, and I'm sitting there showing him gains on AMC, and he's like, now he's kind of looking at it, but people get burned and they walk away, dude. And what's sad is there's some apes. This thing is all said and done, dude. There's probably gonna be some apes that don't end up selling this thing, man, and they'll ride it all the way back down just to prove a point, man. And my heart goes out to him, dude. But I still think in the meantime, dude, there's a lot of freaking money to be made. And in the morning, you're gonna look for this push over 72.62, and if we get it, dude, it's gonna be lights out, man. You called the Doge run up. Good stuff, bro. Get that money, Matt. Yeah, man. It's just TA, brother. That's all it was, man. And TA is really hard in crypto because it's based off of sentiment. But I did say we would go up to test that 200-day moving average, and we're just waiting on that break, man. Once we get this break, and if we don't get it, that's okay. We could slowly head back to about 33, which would make sense. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. It is possible that we don't get this break. We bounce off with the weekend dip with Bitcoin. If it's gonna happen, I'm just, at this point, guessing. Nobody has a crystal ball and can tell you where this thing's going. But if I had to guess, if we don't get the break, you could possibly be looking at 33, 35 Dogecoin over the weekend and into the next week. I think we'll finally get that break. If we don't get it here, that's worst case scenario. And you can treat it like this, one of two ways. You can panic sell, which would be the absolute worst decision of your life, or you could continue to hold and add to your position whenever possible when it gets down here, if it gets down here. And you'll have that many more coins when you start to push over the 200-day moving average and start heading into Tindy Town, man. So it's up to you, completely up to you, but just be careful out there, guys. Be very freaking careful. Yeah, it should be. That's money market. I think that's actually taken, man. But I appreciate the feedback, man. I really freaking do. I really do, man. Except Ghost. How's Ethereum chart looking? Dude, it's Let me pull it up for you again. I think you just hopped in here. But nonetheless, dude, let's go to that 5-minute chart. So you can see, dude, I've told people, and I'm very open about it, dude. I've been swing trading Ethereum, man. And you see these nice little run-ups you get. Well, where's the 29th? I'm going to go back to the 15. That's not going to be enough. 2 hour possibly. So you get these dips, dude. And I caught this dip right here, bro. It was a Monday morning, and I caught that freaking dip. And you could tell, dude, it runs 26, 27, 28, 29. 29th, you have a dip. That's a Saturday, dude. Every freaking Saturday for the past 6 weeks, man, we've been streaming. And, you know, this channel hasn't been open that long, guys. I mean, it really hasn't. I mean, I've been streaming on YouTube for possibly 2 going on 3 months. So half the time, the first half of my YouTube career, I was basically making videos every night, which I will get back to, guys. I really will. I just like live streaming and interacting with the guys and picking up new subs and stuff like that right now. But every Saturday, dude, this thing has been taking a dip for the last month and a half, dude, and I'm fully expecting it this weekend. So as you can see, dude, if you could pick you some Ethereum up around the $2,200, $2,300 range, dude, every week you can flip that for $2,800 all day, man. $2,800 dude, and that's a pretty nice swing trade, day trade right there, man. So just something to keep your eye on, guys. If you don't believe me, if you're not comfortable with you know, buying the dips, selling the rips like intraday, just open up a paper account, man, and try something. You know, just try something out, dude. See if you can hit it, bro, because if this continuation holds true and every Saturday you have a dip, man, you can make some nice freaking profits right now. I think it's getting to a point where the summer run is coming, and I'm getting a little concerned about being left behind, man, especially if you're trading it like this. So just be very careful, be mindful of that, man. I mean, I was trying to remind people about the Coinbase listing Saturday, and then lo and behold, it comes out this week, and I was just like, whoa. Well, now people didn't forget about it, but at least I told y'all. You know, what a time to be alive. You already know, brother. Pantry, AMC 1K is definitely possible, brother. Apes actually own the stock at this time period, dude, and it's completely up to them what time they want to sell, man. The shorts are cornered. There's no way out. It's completely up to them what dollar sign they actually want to hold for, man. So completely freaking possible, man. So guys, they got 20 people in here. If y'all could please hit that like button, man. It greatly helps get my channel out there. And right now, that's kind of one of the toughest hurdles I'm having at this current moment. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about that, guys. Ghost, man, just tweeted you live, dude. I appreciate it, Ghost. And make sure to follow me on Twitter, man, if y'all haven't. I greatly appreciate it, man. Pantry, Naked, dude. Naked is, you know, another one of the meme stocks, man. Absolutely doing crazy things, man. And I didn't hear from Snowman tonight, guys. I know he's in Miami, gearing up for the Bitcoin convention tomorrow, so he's gonna actually have some great information to share with us, man. He really will, and I can't wait to see what the guy has for us. Where is Naked, man? There it is, Naked Brand. Dude, having the same run up, dude, the same nasty rips. So, dude, how do you have all these other different businesses have the same massive run ups, dude? It's simple. It's the same people shorting the same stocks, dude. And it's just my gut feeling. I don't have no proof, but dude, it has to be Citadel. Nobody got margin called yet, man. That is a big player in the game, dude. So we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, keep your eye on Microvision. I think this thing is getting set up for a nice another little run, dude. and you can see on the 4-hour chart way back here, 31 bucks. You can see what this thing is capable of doing, man. So I might actually look to add some call options, like I said, late August. I think those will treat you extremely well right now. But just be careful with call options, man. If you're not an experienced investor, you can get burned real quick, man. You get freaking burned. You need to start plugging mass market on everything. Appreciate you, Whiskey, man. Appreciate you, man. Matt, how do I talk to my parents and... Hold on, man. I'll make sure I'm reading this right. Matt, how do I talk to my parents into holding? Talk them into 1K into AMC at $13.50. They want to sell at 70 bucks and keep 1K in. Need to talk them into diamond handing. It's difficult, man, because you know, your parents, they probably have the old trader mentality, if I would have to guess, man. If they are traders, you know, just do you, man. I wish the best for them if they do get out, man. I wish the best for anybody if they get out. I wouldn't blame nobody right now, dude. But for the greater cause, there's plenty of apes that are going to continue to hold, dude, and I don't think it would hurt the cause if your parents would sell, man. So take that for what it is, but just tell them to be careful, dude. Just watch it very closely, bro. We're in some dangerous territory right here, man. But nonetheless, I do think tomorrow will still be green for AMC, man. Why can't my charts have been all messed up, dude? It did an update and actually switched all my plays from bottom to top, so now I'm all screwed up. So I'm gonna have to definitely change that by tomorrow, man. I know AMC can hit 1K, but what about GME, dude? And there's no telling, Pantry. I do think GME could explode again, dude. But honestly, I think GME would have hit freaking $1,000 if they wouldn't have stopped it last time, man. That's just my personal opinion. I mean, right now it's all speculative because what happened, man. You can't go back and change this. But in my personal opinion, GameStop would have broke the stock market back here, dude. Yeah, along with AMC and all the other meme stocks. They just prolonged their death, man. They prolonged it, tried everything they could. And, you know, they shorted it back from 514 all the way down. And just look at this massive cup and handle, man. All the meme stocks did the same thing, dude. Ran up, came back down, consolidated for months, and now you're starting to get this nice little pop-up, dude. So I do think GameStop is, you know, it still has 20% short interest, probably way more than that, dude, with the naked shorting going on. So yes, I do think GameStop could definitely bust 1,000 as well, man. It just depends on what the people are willing to hold for, man. That's what it boils down to. But if you weren't here, you didn't see the Ortex data. Whoa, did y'all see that, man? Earlier I reported 3.39, dude. Maybe it updated. Maybe it did a refresh. But nonetheless, 4% short interest on the day. Maybe they got it wrong. Who knows? Freaking knows. Cost to borrow sitting on an average of 15.35%, dude. 99.36 utilization, dude. Still sitting very beautiful, man. And estimated short interest float somewhere around 17-18%. So still set up super nice, guys. Damn, Pantry, you've been in naked since January, and you probably didn't sell that first rip, huh? Yeah, I appreciate you, Ryan. Finger bang that like button, man. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, dude. Yeah, just be careful with naked, man. I mean, if everything else squeezes like we're all expecting it to, naked will absolutely go parabolic along with every other stock. You'll probably see grandma's lawnmower shop somewhere in the stock market absolutely blow up, dude. I mean, it is crazy times we're living in. And like I said, the billions of dollars floating around on the market right now are actually going to get, I think, are going to get pushed into crypto big time, because now you got some real dumb money floating around the market. You don't know what's about to happen. You don't know where they're going next. If you're a hedge fund shorting things, dude, be very careful about what you're about to do. But I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I think I've been on for a little while now, but I'll have an update for y'all tomorrow. Nonetheless, we'll be rocking all freaking weekend, man. But if you're not subbed to the channel, please hit the sub button, man. You can keep up with us. We're always finding new plays, and make sure to check out the Discord link below in the comment section. And we're always in there talking plays, making sure everybody's behaving. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all tuning in, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.